Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to buy Six Flags tickets for New Jersey. So let's get started. So first of all, you go to their website right here. And after that, you gotta press on the location thingy in here. And then you gotta look for New Jersey. So there we go. And after that, you gotta look for the exact place that you wanted to go to because there's like multiple places. Let's go for the Savannah Sunset. And in here, you just gotta scroll down until you find the place that you wanted to book. So basically, there is like multiple offers right here, and you gotta choose correctly. And you gotta choose like the offer that suits you, so you don't do anything wrong. You gotta check the accommodation that is going on, so nothing wrong's happened. So let's go, for example, for this one. What you wanted to do is press on book now. And then it's gonna lead you to this page right here. And after that, you just gotta check in the offers that you want. So basically, let's say we wanted to go for this one, just gotta press on here. And after that, just gonna scroll until you find the exact date that you wanted to go for. So let's say you're gonna stay for like around like 7 days. And then you press on check availability. And in here, it's because there's no tickets, it's showing that they're sold out. But basically, if you find the right time and like schedule it correctly, it will be showing you the payment page where you have to enter in your information like your debit, credit card, and your full name and your phone number as well, just to confirm everything with you. And the reservation will be done and you'll be good to go. So yeah, that was the video for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Cheers.